Alright, boys. Week 2 update is here in FC Mobile and EA has dropped some absolute madness. First of all, we finally got Bale, Khan, Martin Odegaard, and some more cards. And honestly, it feels like EA gave us a little W. Why? Because Bale is only for 1,500 shards. That's like finding chicken biryani at Momos' price. Insane value. If you're still wasting shards on that greatest captain scam, which costs 4,000 shards, hi, please stop. You're just donating to EA charity. Now coming to Oliver Kahn. Height 6 feet 2 inches. A little short compared to other GK giants who look like they've been drinking Complan since childhood. But hey, height isn't everything. If anyone actually tried him, let me know if he's a wall or just another cone in goal. Oh, and here's the classic EA move. They gave us a win with Bale, but immediately balanced it by cutting weekly rewards from 50 to 25 shards in the Captain Iniesta chapter. Like EA is that toxic friend, gives you chocolate with one hand, slaps you with the other. Also, Harry Maguire has joined the party, and surprisingly, his stats are actually pretty good compared to two other defenders. Who would have thought? Maguire going from meme lord to meta card. Next thing you know, he'll be dribbling like Messi in this game.
Harry Maguire!
I also opened some packs because gambling addiction light. And as usual, I got nothing. EA packs are like relationships, full of hope ends with disappointment. Currently, I've got about 1,200 shards saved, slowly crawling towards Bale. But EA is out here testing our patience. And lastly, EA decided to give us the Captain Noor jersey. Honestly, who even asked for this? Like, bro, I don't even think Noor himself wears it. EA really said, here, take this and suffer. So yeah, that's your week 2 update. Bale is a must grab, Khan is a maybe, Maguire is shockingly usable, packs are still trash, and EA continues to troll us with jerseys nobody wants. That's it, boys. Let me know in the comments. Are you going for Bale or are you one of those people spending 4,000 shards on Captain Midfield Maestro Disaster Pack? Ha ha ha.